investigating a shooting. He's got his hands in his pockets, and you are sitting over there. We don't know you.
I don't know you either.
See, you're inside a circle of squad.
We're on a public sidewalk. No, we're not in a circle.
Hey, dipshit, we're just asking if you could stay out of the perimeter.
Whoa, did you guys hear what that cop just said? Here we go again, folks. Another new video, another new channel. Please go subscribe to this guy and let him know I sent you. Let's let his public officials know that the people are watching and the people have Jay Freeman's back. Let's check out this video. We'll discuss what's going on at the end. Let's get right to it, folks.
Holy fuck, there's a lot of cops here. Whatever you do, you don't ID. I'm going to
Come
cross.
on the front of my car. Keep moving.
Hey, nice. That was nice. Nice demeanor. Hey, get that out of my eyes.
No, you got two of them on
On public fucking sidewalk. Oh, that's nice.
it. Why the fuck are you flashing?
Why are you shining me? Why is he fucking shining us?
I don't know.
You mind not shining me?
What do you guys need?
You mind not shining me?
Can you see? We're investigating a shooting. He's got his hands in his pockets, and
Oh,
you are sitting over there. We don't know you.
I don't know you either.
See, you're inside a circle of squad.
We're on a public sidewalk. No, we're not in a circle.
Hey, dipshit, we're just asking if you could stay out of the perimeter.
Dipshit?
That's all we're asking.
That's how you talk to the public? You call me a dipshit? What is up? What's up with that?
Keep moving.
Hey, they already arrested him and you just pulled the gun.
Yeah, call me a dipshit.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Put your gun away, man.
Hey, yeah.
Our
We're on a
camera's
gun
scaring
closer.
you?
Put your flashlight down. What the hell's that? Get out.
Very close to done, and then you guys can walk all over here.
Okay, put your gun away though. He's got a camera in his hand. Everybody's filming you. Nobody's pointing a
That's
weapon.
fine. Don't worry about me.
Oh, get that light out of my face. Thank you.
Then don't be in the perimeter. I'm supposed to be watching for
Well,
people to keep
put
my
tape
partners.
Yeah, put some tape up if that's an issue. We're on a public damn sidewalk.
Folks, don't you think if police officers were really investigating a crime, they'd actually put up yellow tape when they arrive on scene? Why is it that cops want to turn everything into an investigation? I've actually seen a video where a cop actually tells somebody, "You're impeding in my investigation," and all he was doing was writing a ticket for a traffic infraction in a parking lot that had a car parked in a no parking zone. Unbelievable, folks. Keep watching.
Alright, fine. Is this your
I
place?
can't believe you just pulled a gun on that man.
You can't believe it?
You just arrested the guy you're looking for.
No, we did not.
Okay.
But you pull a gun on a freaking... Jesus Christ.
That's crazy.
Then you call me a dipshit.
Yeah, you're holding the phone.
Yep.
You look real threatening to him right now.
Okay, thank you.
Don't like to be recorded, huh?
I don't mind being recorded.
Oh, get your flashlight out of my face. I ain't no threat.
I don't know that. Oh, hey, this guy here, I don't know him.
I don't know you either. This guy grew up here his whole life. I don't know how you don't know him.
You live here?
No.
Oh.
I live way the fuck down there. I was going to get
Fucking pulls a gun out.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
That's what I said. This dude lived here his whole life. How the fuck don't you know?
This guy pulled a gun on us. Called me a dipshit.
So the police officer still hasn't put up yellow tape, and now he's going to threaten the man with the rest.
You want to be arrested?
For what?
I've already given you several opportunities to not be inside the perimeter.
I'm not in the perimeter.
Nobody's in a perimeter. You're giving unlawful orders, sir. What's your name and badge number?
Am I not flashing your light like that?
Alright, it's over. You guys can go over there.
Freedom of press.
Yeah,
You can go
screw
there.
off.
Also free to
Fuck
stay.
you, dipshit.
We're free to leave. We're free to stay.
Asshole.
What's wrong with these dudes?
Fucking dipshit.
You guys want to speak with me now that this is over?
What's your name?
Oh, you want to speak with us now that it's over?
I'm done doing my primary
Then go
job.
do whatever you're doing then.
Mike, bam, 413.
Ain't got nothing to say to you.
Do you have questions for me?
No, we know what's going on. You know
Do
what's
you?
going on? I do.
What happened?
Really? The guy in the black four-door sedan was driving in circles, shooting a gun. Then he went to the alley, parked, and ran in the house. Then you guys pulled up, surrounded the house, and pulled a female and a male out who, that was a native and it was a white guy, so that's kind of weird, but whatever, you're doing your job. All right.
And I walk up and you pull a fucking gun on me.
You walked up
That
and you
was-
pulled a gun on
Yep,
me.
always on a gun call. Always.
Yeah.
You
Every
pull,
time.
Okay.
really?
Every time.
Oh, because I came up just screaming at you or running at you or anything?
Even after you clear the
sorry.
scene?
Well, yes, we're clear now.
He must be a dipshit, I guess.
Well, I'm done answering questions, thank you.
Okay. You're in this blue house?
There goes assuming shit again, huh?
Yeah.
That's what they do.
I'm gonna go eat dinner. Have a good night.
Yeah, you too, man. Dirty ass cops.
Nice to see you, bro.
Hey, try not to ruin nobody's lives tonight, will ya? Thanks. He's the one that pulled the gun on me. Fucking fat ass. You make that suit look big. Yeah, go fuck off. What a fucking bunch of pricks. Pulled the fucking gun out.
Alright, folks, now let's be real. I can understand that at night when a police officer is out there and somebody walks up, you're gonna shine the light to see exactly what's going on. Let's not be hypocrites. But once an officer has done a threat assessment and has seen that the person carrying a camera is not carrying a gun, you know that they're just there to record. And once the threat has been assessed, that's when the officer is supposed to continue his job and leave the videographer alone. There is a such thing called the freedom of press. So when you're standing there recording, that's exactly what you are, the press. Everyone is considered press, folks. Anybody asking questions in public is considered press. Think about that, especially if you're publishing your questions in your work. So in my opinion, this officer held a flashlight for too long on the videographers. He continued to bully and harass them and even threaten them with arrest. And these police officers are the reason that channels like mine keep growing and new channels like Jay Freeman keep popping up. It's that presumed authority, folks. If we don't check it, it turns into unbridled power. And once police officers have unbridled power, then the political parasites have won. You have lost all your rights. It's important that you know your rights, and it's important that you record the police. Before we let you go, subscribe to Jay Freeman's channel. We're going to give you the 5 elements of the First Amendment: freedom of speech, religion, press, assembly, and petition. Thank you all for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Hit that thumbs up if you learned something today. Go subscribe to Jay Freeman. I'll see you guys over there. Have a blessed day. Peace.